What's going on, everybody? So today I want to talk about something that I have talked about in the past, but I want to bring it up again when it comes to hiring a credit repair company and also paying a credit repair company. So I'm going to put a screenshot up here of a page in my agreement that was done by a lawyer, not by me, that says you are not to pay for any services for credit repair before they are completed unless it is a subscription-based plan between a consumer and a credit repair company. That being said, I know there's a lot of people out here charging these $1,200, $1,500, $5,000, even $10,000 fees for credit repair. It is 100% illegal. Nobody can charge you a one-time fee. Obviously they do, but I just want y'all to read this part of my agreement. Again, it was typed up by a lawyer, not me. And I'm also going to post a few results throughout the video, which will be a short video. As y'all know, I don't like to get on here and just talk and talk and talk. I have a lot to do. I like to get straight to the point and then end my videos. But the other thing is, if a credit repair company insists that you pay them using PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, that is a huge, huge red flag. They want you to pay that way because there's no way for you to do a chargeback. There's no way for you to get your money back if you use those payment methods. Now they may say, oh, well, we don't want to have to pay all the fees. Well, guess what? Nobody likes paying all the fees. I dang sure don't, because it is a lot of fees to accept credit cards and debit cards. But guess what? That's a part of being a business owner. You're going to have to pay those fees. People want to use a debit card and a credit card, especially a credit card. I mean, think about it. You're fixing their credit. They're trying to build credit. What better way to pay you than a credit card? So they are using their credit. So that being said, the only way to do this is as a nonprofit organization for free, or if it's a subscription-based plan between the consumer and the credit repair company. Also, you should only be paying with a debit card or a credit card. Zelle's a little iffy. Be careful with that if you accept Zelle. But if they insist on you paying them with PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, those are huge, huge red flags. If they want you to pay them any other way than a debit card or a credit card, it is a huge, huge red flag. Again, Zelle, kind of iffy. You know, Zelle's kind of okay. You're still not going to get your money back that I know of if somebody sends you a payment via Zelle. So y'all just got to be careful with that when you're hiring people. Don't be paying these one-time fees that are outrageous for thousands and thousands of dollars. Not saying you're not going to pay over $1,000 doing it for a monthly subscription, but at least if you're paying monthly, you can cancel at any time. Nobody's going to pay somebody $2,000 and then say, hey, I want to cancel. And nobody that's accepting thousands of dollars for payments is going to work on your credit for 2 years if that's how long it takes to fix it. They're going to do a couple rounds of disputes. A lot of them are going to do them online or using these fake methods that they made up in their head and take your money and run. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.